AI, or artificial intelligence, is everywhere, from the voice assistants we ask for directions to the recommendation engines that suggest movies. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? In this video, we'll break down the basics of AI. What is artificial intelligence? AI, at its core, is the ability of a machine or computer system to mimic human intelligence. Think of it as teaching a machine to perform tasks that would usually require human intelligence, like recognizing speech or making decisions. When your phone suggests words as you type, that's AI predicting what you might say based on patterns. How does AI learn? One of the key methods AI uses to learn is called machine learning. Machine learning involves feeding data into algorithms so they can learn patterns and make predictions. For example, if you watch a lot of cooking videos, platforms like YouTube might suggest similar content because it has learned your interests through your viewing habits. Types of AI. AI versus generative AI. There are different types of artificial intelligence, each designed to handle specific tasks. Traditional AI, like the algorithms that filter spam emails or recommend movies, relies on patterns in data to accomplish set tasks. This type of AI functions as a helper, performing specific, predictable actions based on programmed instructions. For instance, Google Maps uses this kind of AI to analyze traffic patterns and provide you with the fastest route. Generative AI, on the other hand, is a more recent type of AI that can actually create new content, like text, images, or even music, by learning from examples. Think of it like a digital artist or writer. When you use a tool that writes a paragraph for you based on a short prompt, that's generative AI in action. It's not just following a formula, it's generating something new based on what it's learned. AI is already part of our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. From the spam filter in your email to the smart thermostat adjusting your home's temperature based on your preferences, AI is working in the background to make things easier for us. AI is more than just a tool. It's a shift in how we interact with technology, bringing new possibilities into our everyday lives. As AI continues to evolve, it will keep opening doors we hadn't even thought of yet, blending seamlessly into our routines and inspiring fresh ways to solve problems. If this sparked your curiosity about AI, hit like and follow for more insights and explorations. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of AI.